Hey guys, what is up? It is Alicia. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about Render Forest. What you can do with this site is you can actually make your own intros, and then you can either download it for free with the watermark, or you can pay based on the quality that you want of your intro. So I was playing around with this site earlier, and it's really easy to use. You can create intro videos, animated videos, slideshows. You can also make promo videos, audio visualizers, and app promos, which I think is cool. Now I'm just going to do a quick little tutorial on how to actually make an intro on Render Forest. So you're going to want to go to this video templates tab at the top, and then you can scroll through all of the different ones that they have. As you can see, there are quite a few of them for you guys to choose from. I really like this one right here, which is the smoke trail logo reveal. So you're just going to click on it. And before you do this, you just have to make an account. Once you find the one you want, you just click on it and go to this Create Now button right here, and it's going to load into your project window. So the screen that's going to come up looks like this. So you're going to add your text, so this could be a tagline, I guess. So I'm just going to write iEditingX, and I'm going to save and close that. That appears after your logo, and then this box here, you're going to upload a PNG format of your channel name. So what you're going to do is click on this gray box, and you're going to go to Browse, and you're going to choose a picture from your media library and open it. So then what you're going to do is you can rearrange your image however you want it to look on the screen. So I'm just going to move it around. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on how you want it to look. So this is how I like it, and then you just press confirm. And so your image is going to appear here. The next step after edit is to go to color at the top, and you can either choose custom colors or you can go to your own color palette. I'm just going to go with a color palette they already have, so I like this blue one, and then you can go to music and add music. They have a lot of different ones too, and if you go over to the side here, they have a bunch of different genres of music. I'm going to go to upbeat, and I guess I like this one. Yeah, I'm going to add this one, and it will appear here when you want it. You can also add a voiceover, but I don't really want to do that. So the last step is to preview your project, and so I'm just going to go to this free preview button right here, and it's going to take about 2 minutes to load, and then once it does, we're going to watch the intro and see if I like it. Once it finishes exporting, you're going to be able to preview it with the logo, of course, right here. So this is what it looks like, my intro at least, and I think it looks pretty cool. I already made it before this actually, so that's why I know what it looks like already, but I like how it shows up. And then as you guys can see, the different text shows up like this. So you can choose to do a couple of different things. You can download it like this in this low quality with the logo here, or you can go to this remove watermark button at the bottom, click on it, and then you can choose how to export your video. So you can download it low quality without the watermark, high quality with 720p or 1080p. I think that 720 or 1080 would look good, because if you're going to spend money on your intro, you're going to want it to look nice, and so I think that these two options are the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video about Render Forest, and it gives you some ideas for purchasing an intro or coming up with any kind of animated video if you want, because I know that a lot of the time it's hard to get an intro or it's hard to make one yourself, and these are really professional looking, so I think that's great. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Yeah.